So if you talk about the past, that times women were depending on male, okay, on men, understood, for taking decision or money. Okay, I'm talking about all relationship. Means daughter was depending on her father, okay, about the making decision, taking decision or money. Also wife was depending on her husband, okay. And women weren't getting freedom to go outside to do work, only they were handling housework also only, okay. And earning department was only in men hands, got it. But in now 21 era, now 21 era, women's are all rounder, they are masters in every field, they are working in every fields. And also they are doing equal work as a men, okay, understood. And nowadays men are also helping to women, okay, men are also helping to women. And most of the things they are cooking food also, means men are cooking food also, okay. So here debate point is, here group discussion point is, who can be become a good employee, male employee or female employee, okay. Your today's group discussion point is, who can become a good employee, male employee or female employee, understood, got it. So your group discussion you have to talk well. And I want confidence from you, because you have completed here two video session. Now I want confidence, and you just talk freely, don't think about your mistakes. If you make mistake, let it be, don't think about your mistakes and don't fear also. And you forget it, you're front of the camera, okay. You first you give your short introduction and then start, got it.
Hello friend, myself Akshay.
Camera.
Hello friend, myself Akshay Kawai. I am from Sunsura. I have completed here 1 month. My debate point is male employee.
Male employee, okay. You will talk about male
Hello.
employee. Obviously, you will talk about the female employee. They have choose male employee. Or you want change? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk male employee? Can you talk? Yes.
Hello friend, my name is Aryan Ragji. I live in Tiroda. I class completed here. I class completed 1 month. Debate point is ma-
Male employee.
male employee.
Hello friend, my name is Pragati Kinaikar. I have completed here 25 days. I am from Vengurla. Today is my debate point is female employee.
It's a group discussion, okay?
Hello friends, my name is Sejal Kinrekar. I am from Vengurla. I have completed here 25 days. My debit point is female employee.
It's a group discussion, okay? You have to talk about the female employees, okay, how they can be a good female employees, okay. You have to put your all points and you have to talk about the male employees, got it. Can you talk? No, I want confidence from you, and it should be energetic. Start. You have to take objections, huh?
Male employee can easily to do hard work. They have power to do hard work.
Female employee do work so smartly and very well.
Very well, yeah. Means they use some tricks to complete the work very easily and fast. Yeah.
But male employee can do overtime job.
If you talk about overtime, then male employee can do easily overtime job, okay. But there is some risk or there is some problem to do overtime work about the female.
Female employee have more responsibility like family.
Yes, family responsibility.
Family responsibility, child responsibility.
Then also they can manage
Then also they can manage their work
very well.
very well.
I agree your point. But male employee can go long journey for official work
As compared to the
as
female
compared to
employee.
the female employee.
If you want to, he's talking about if you want to go outside, no, to long journey for longer travel, then male employee can go easily as compared to the male employee can go easily as compared to the female employee. Yes, female employee has so many tensions about the family, about their children, okay, they have to manage all. But nowadays in 21 era, female employee also well developed, and they can also travel very well.
Male employees easily solve problem,
Wow, very good. Which problem?
office problem and family problem.
Female employee also handle their families and job equally.
Yes, we yes. We can see in our house, in our society also, in our relatives also. They can very well handle, and they can very well, they can do very well work. Yes, they can manage both side also, house work also and official work also.
I agree your point, but male employee manage our home. They are complete their family wishes.
Yes, they can complete their family wishes. Also, they can give good education to their children. They can handle all the responsibility. They can complete their family wishes. They take care of their family, what they want or what they don't want. Yes.
Yes, I agree your point, but female employee also always think about their family and children.
Yes, yes, yes. And female employee think about how to increase money. Means they invest their money in other schemes. Yes.
Male employee
Male employee.
male employee think our family, but they does not show to
They don't show.
they don't show to our face.
They don't show. Means he is talking about male employee think about every time think about their family, their children. Okay, but they don't show off. They are not talking to others as compared to the female employee. Female employee worried about it. They can call to any their relative and they discuss this matter with their relatives. But male employee can't do that.
Male employees going to official work in Mumbai.
He's talking about he repeated that point. Means female employee can go easily outside. Sorry, male employee can go outside very easily. Okay, they are not thinking about their parents are also easily give permission to go outside. But as compared to the female employee, means for if you talk about the daughter, so their parents are worried about this. Parents are think more about their daughter, and they take longer time to take decision to go send outside or not. But male employee can easily go. Yes, boys can easily go.
Female employee buy jewelry and save their money in gold and invest their money.
Invest their money means that only I told that they can invest their monies in gold. Yes, and that's a good effect or that's good advantages get in future to their family.
Male employee, but male employee don't waste our time to makeup and shopping.
Okay.
Yes, but female employee also have a good communication skill.
That's why.
That's why they crack a business deal.
I agree your point, but male employee drive car, heavy car, then he transfer our product to anywhere.
Is talking about if any business or official work is there, then male employee can drive easily cars and like trucks, tempos. No, yes, that's why they can do this work easily about the transporting work. No, as compared to the female employee. Female employee, all not, but some women's or some girls are driving, but all not. No, driving.
Male employees uh, complete your family wish. They have to do power anything.
Yes, complete their family wishes. If male employee, if in a family required money, then they can provide to them very easily. But don't you think that female employee can do that? Yes, okay.
Female employee maintain their body. They do yoga in home, and that wise they are fit and fine.
Yes, yes.
But male employee go every day, go to gym every day, follow diet. Then
But she's talking about she saves money and means all the female do yoga in home. They save their money. They are not going. They are not wasting money. Okay, but mostly in city lines, the mostly females are going. Okay, it was good discussion, but male employee and female employee both are equal and both are required and both are important in all the works, official work also and housework also. You have given here, you have put your views very strongly. Really, it was good discussion, but I want improvement from you. Okay, and I want more confidence from you. I want more points from you. So you have to read always. Before also I told to you, you have to read always every day new books. Okay, then only you can improve your English, or you can get more knowledge about in everything, every topics. Got it? So all the best for next session. I will take your also next session, and I want that time confidence. Okay, and as per my view, both male employee and female employee are important in everything, means official work also, housework also, and other things also. Okay, understood? We can't tell that only male employees are important, only female employees are important. Okay, both are equal and both it should be required for everything. Got it? So thanks for watching our video.